So guys, the corn I got from that farmer was so good. I'm still eating mine. I made barbecue chicken. I made that rice I got from Big Lots. This corn is so sweet, so good. Your niece come out and I said to her, I said, was it good? She said, I don't know. It's gone. You know that, right?
Still some pieces on here.
You're not chewing, so obviously. Really? Really? Naya, the corn is gone. Oh, it's done now? It's done now?
Yeah.
Why are you looking at me like that? I just asked you, was the corn good? And you said you don't know, but you sat there for about 3 minutes nibbling on nothing. Why did you turn that way? What's over there? You forgot your plate that you devoured. I can't with her. I can't. I wonder if Rizzy could say the corn was good or not. This corn is really good. I'm going back to get some more. She said, remember I told you she gave it to me, like, I know you'll be back for some because our corn is amazing. It is. I made a mistake and I like to put like sugar in my corn. Excuse me, who does that? Just a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar, not a lot. And I was like, dang it. She said it's already sweet. I wanted to see what it tastes like naturally because sometimes corn is not really sweet. So, yeah. But I didn't put a lot. And I just did, you know, a couple ears of it, but it's very good. It's very sweet. I like it.